It's a switch, and you know the one problem that litters literally every single switch? They drift. Oh my god. And the battery's really low, so. But don't worry, I have a solution. Ages ago, I bought these. It took too long to ship, probably like 2 or 3 months. Yeah, so I'm gonna fix it. Since we are only dealing with the switch itself, I guess I can leave it plugged in. Take the Joy-Cons off and just set this to the side. Let's take these apart. Start off with the left one. Hopefully this one wouldn't be as disastrous as the DS. Oh, the nightmares. Okay. So, we should be able to pop this off. Hold on. There we go. Pop goes the plastic piece. So now that we have that apart, first, probably disconnect the battery. Yep. Alright, let's do this. Battery's disconnected. Now we need to carefully remove the battery. You know what, I bet I could just do this. Come on, battery. Oh, there we go. Oh, shoot. Well, the battery's out. That's good. Alright, what else? Remove some more. This time they're golden and they're Phillips head. Flip the mid-frame over. Oh my god, that cable is freaking thin. Wow. Alright, now let's carefully disconnect it from the board. Actually, no, we don't need to do that. I just need to carefully take that out. Yeah, feels new. Alright, let's take this out. Oops, I just stabbed it. Actually, no, it looks like I'll have to disconnect that to get the new one in. To get the stick out. There we go. Put that to the side. Disconnect this. And pull that. Or not. Okay, I'll do this then. Let's take this off carefully. Okay. I took the wrong screw off. Nice. That's okay, I guess, because I need to take that off anyways. Come on out. Don't be shy. It's getting stuck under this cable. Now I got the defective one out. I need to get this one back in. It shouldn't be too hard. Come on. Oh. Did I break something? Probably not. Okay, good. Alright, probably should put that screw back in. Yeah, I guess that's in. Okay, that's good, good. Now I gotta put the screws back into this. Make sure that's on there and snap that shut. Okay, that's on there. Now I gotta put this thing on. There we go. That wasn't too hard, actually. Now, time to put this piece back on. Oh, shoot. Come on. Okay, stay. No, why can't you stay? There we go. Stay. This is where I lose my sanity. I know it. No. It wasn't that hard to put in, actually. Never mind. There we go. Okay, that's good. Good, good, good. Put this piece back on. Now, time to put all this back together. Alright, now that's plugged in. Let's take the battery and put it back in. This is gonna be painful. Or not. Alright, put this back on like this. Still work? Yep, good. Alright, now time to just put these pieces back together. Alright, now time to put those screws back together. Come on, they're not magnetized? You serious? Oh well. Alright. Left Joy-Con down, frick. Aw, man. Mistakes were made. Hopefully I should just be able to pop it in like this. Yep, there we go. Good as new. Yeah, it works. Right now, time to put the screws back in. Alright, that's in. Now let's start testing it. Perfect, and it feels like new too. Nice. Great. Alright. Joy-Con 1. Done. Oh, Joy-Con left. Let's put it to charge. Let's deal with the other one. I might also speed this part up. It's literally the same except it's on the right side. Now this one's a bit different. I might actually have to look at the iFixit repair guide. There it is. Okay, so that's easy access. This fell off. Wow, that's indented. Holy. Get out. Okay, there we go. Now I can put this one back in. Oh, I was gonna panic. Thank goodness this one fits. I was gonna panic. Ooh, but the cable might be a bit too long. That's okay, I guess. Now, how do I put this back? I guess like that. Yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, actually no, I forgot about this piece. There we go. Okay. That's been put back in, hold that down, and smoosh this piece in. Boop. Alright, there we go. Now we need to screw it all back in, while of course also remembering to put the battery back in. There we go. Alright, now that battery is back on, I guess I put it in like that, and put the little antenna thing back in. Should have done that before I plugged the battery in. Almost. Alright, good, I got it. Finally. Alright, put the antenna back on. And also put the battery back in. Because, well, we need it. There we go, battery back in. Now, let's make sure it lights up. Yep. Alright, now time to piece all of this back together and test it. Oh, should I actually clean the rails? Because I did have some connection issues. Oh, actually those rails look pretty corroded. Yikes. Never mind. You can see that. That's corrosion on some of those pins. And I presume that's probably the same on the other one, so I'm not gonna bother. Alright, that's both Joy-Cons fixed. Man. One thing that I do see in common is that there's a little dimple in the middle. Could that be what's causing the drifting? Probably not. Alright, let's test it. Yeah, they feel perfect. Minus the fact that they're not pairing. Right side is not pairing. Probably because of those mentioned contacts. I mean, they're probably charging, which is good. Okay, there we go, connected. Hey, that's good. It's connected. Everything's fine. Aw, man, I have to update. Oh well. Let's try the game that we all know and love. Frick. I guess we'll update it. Actually, no, there's a start software button. I'm blind as frick. Save as progress. Save my progress. I was the last one who was playing this. Well, that ain't that good to know. Alright, now let's play the game that we all know and love. I can't skip this. Skip. This looks like the right side is having... Never mind. Oh, never mind. I'm just pressing it wrong. Alright, let's do something. Is that X? Yeah, that's X. Trust me, I know how to play this game. They feel really good. They should last a good long time. Actually, I have the Joy-Con grip with me. I'm gonna go get that. So apparently we lost our Joy-Con grip things. Oh well. Yeah, this game is not the best, but it's a game, so I don't care. Yay, it works. Everything's just fine on it. Yeah, I can barely see. Ew, no. Oh. There's motion control in this game? What? I didn't know that. How do people play on this? What? How? Okay, I don't get it. I'm gonna stay on Xbox. Close software. Oh, come on. Disconnected again. Come on, connect. There we go. No! Oh, man. Oh, well, I guess that's fine. Hey, at least we know it works, though. That's all good. It's all very good. Come on, skip. I want to skip this. Oh, what? I can't move. What's this one? No. Ah, what? It depended. Now blue is second player. Player as player one, please. Oops. Restart. Restrat. Yes, I want to use my Switch as a controller. Yay, finally. Oh no. A wild Pidgey. Let's get it. Yeet. Yay, I caught it. I'm gonna go put you in the box. Well, I guess that's all I can really show you. I don't know what to say, they work, so yeah, keep this plugged in on its dock, not my MacBook charger. So I guess that's gonna be all. Yes, I don't have my iPad right now, and that's really sad because my mom took it. No, my mom asked for it and I gave it to her. But guess what? Sneak peek again. Don't count on it though. Alright, bye.